Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and this one is inspired by Chloe and Halle and their versatile hairstyles that they put over their locks. I'm just putting some curly hair over my locks. Y'all see, it's just some free tress hair. $5.99 a pack, y'all, okay? $5.99 a pack, okay? Nothing crazy, nothing expensive. And I'm just right here just deciding, do I want the side part, how deep I want the part, or whatever. So you see, I'm just trying to like figure out like how I want the hair to hang. So in order for my parts to be kind of like pretty and seamless, I am going to do like a quick retwist on the locks I am going to have by the part. So basically the part is like very clean. So I'm just doing quick retwist, literally quick retwist. So when I tell you I'm only like retwisting like 5 of them, because like I said, I just want them by the parts, okay? I just want my part to be super clean, so that area where I'm about to braid down, it's just not full of like new growth, and I have to put all this gunky edge control and stuff on it. So in order to eliminate that, I'm just gonna kind of retwist it to make it clean. And then I'm starting to braid it back. So your girl know how to cornrow. Hey, guess who taught me? YouTube. So if you don't know how to cornrow, you better watch your YouTube video. Y'all, I learned how to cornrow back in like 2011 off of YouTube. I literally watched this lady and she taught me step by step. So once I learned how to cornrow, baby, I was doing sew-ins on everybody, okay? But yeah, right here I'm just cornrolling that section back. And then I'm about to go ahead and cornrow the other side. Well, actually, I'm about to do a retwist really quick because that lock in the front had a lot of new growth. And like I said, I just wanted the hair in the front to just be kind of clean looking. Go ahead and cornrow that thing back. Okay, y'all, I did nothing special to the back, okay? I literally put in the ponytail, okay? So after I cornrowed my hair, I put in the ponytail. So this is where I'm about to start. I'm about to start at the bottom on the right side of my head. And y'all, I have not crocheted in a minute, so I kind of forgot how to put it in a loop. I was like, what am I doing? So, boom. This is the final result. I literally went around in a circle to the top. Did nothing special, okay, y'all? Nothing special. Crocheted all the way from the back to the top. And like I said, you see how clean that part is? And then I put my edge control on and made it really pretty. I'm satisfied. I think I'll do this again. Now, I did trim some of the ends of the curls. Here I am on my birthday. I was looking good on my birthday. Okay. Thank y'all for watching.